Hello, and welcome to 2026 Cooking with Trevor. Right, TJR star Cooking and Chaos, you know the channel. Anyway, so today we're making caramel and white chocolate chip cookies. So first off, I'm creaming the sugar and the butter, as you can see. And then I'm about to go looking in the cupboard for something else, probably. Yeah. And as always, supporting wrestling. You can see me with my AEW hat on backwards. So we're getting the eggs. We've got 3 eggs to add in. So it's the basic cookie recipe I've used before. And then just change what you want to add in. Because I had some caramel left over from the cheesecake I made, I decided to use that. So this is voiceover Trevor. Watching video Trevor. I hope you enjoy. So I'm mixing it up. So I'm mixing the first of the egg. Usually try to mix 1 egg at a time. Using 2.5 cups of flour. I'm mixing it with the buckwheat and the plain and some self-raising, I think. Yeah, I'm showing you the flour I'm using. So I usually mix in 1 cup at a time, and to avoid spillage, though I'll probably make a mess anyway. Now I'm adding in the caramel and the white chocolate chips. So they turned out pretty well, though it was a slight experiment in this recipe, but they did look burnt, but I think it was the caramel after I cooked them, so bear that in mind. And remember to line your tray so they don't stick. Okay, so 180 fan for about 12 to 10 minutes, but keep an eye on, as depends how quick your oven cooks. So probably I'll leave the voiceover here and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye for now.